Hello there. It is I, James, and here is the room video tour dorm thingy. English. Okay, let's get started. Things. AirPod Pros. Watch. This thing. Oh, shank your mom, mate. Okay, I have lamps. Lamp number 1. Lamp number 2. Lamp number 3. Fuck. Boom. Okay. Alarm clock 1, alarm clock 2. Okay. Hello. It is I. Okay. GameCube controller right there. Oh, wait. There's a switch right there so I can beat people in Smash. Okay. What else? There's my other phone. Cheetos. Diabetes. Okay. Wait, hold on. There's some other stuff there. Oh, this one. Yes, sir. Okay, hold on. It is. Yes. Ooh. You want to hear some ASMR sounds? Very good. Okay, and it's like a bracelet that Therese gave me. Thank you very much. Very cool. And yeah, here's my wardrobe. Fuck, that's loud. Holy shit. Yep, that's clothes. Okay, there's something like that. That's for educational use. Yes, and yeah, there's one marshmallow that I dropped earlier because I recorded this video like 3 fucking times. Here's bubble wrap. ASMR number 2. Ah, very nice. Shoes. Oh, speaking of shoes, all the shoes. Here's some others. Here's some black shoes. I don't know. Okay, and yeah, this stuff. There's another bucket. It's right here. Soap. That's soap. Yep, that is soap. And ta-da! Oh wait, this thing. It's from Taiwan. You put the weed inside, and then you. Okay. All right. Okay. What else? Here's my bed. Oh shit. Oh, Corona. Eat. Okay. Metal. I don't know why I brought this here. Shirt. Pillows. Aircon. This motherfucker was on the last take, so it was fucking really loud. Yeah. And that's all the stuff here. And here's the balcony. Wow, very nice, very sexy. Okay. Yeah. There's it's called the hall. The hall is called Richie. Oh shit, there's someone there. Okay, and then there's the other balcony where you can stalk people. Hello there. Oh, is that a lighter? Oh, someone's smoking. Oh shit, that's not mine. Eat. Okay. Oh, that's fucking moist. Alright. Oh, aircon again. Fuck you. Alright. Buildings. Yes, buildings. Forgot to mention the buildings. Very nice. Very cool. I wonder if people are hearing me right now because I sound retarded. Okay. Not stopping. Stopping? Fuck, I can't English. IKEA bag. Oh, 2 more shoes. Nice. Nothing. Bags. More IKEA bag right in the back right there. And here's my other bag. Oh, it's like belts and underwears and shit and boxers. I don't fucking know. That's the socket. What else did I forget to mention? Oh, laptop. I was editing some shit video for a fight for show. Yep. I don't know if there's anything up there. Hold up. Nothing. Okay, that'd be creepy if someone was there. Alright. And keys. Ooh. Here's some right again. Alright. Go outside actually. Alright. It's locked. Okay. Fuck no, my thing. Do not disturb calling in progress. Keep the fuck out. Don't interrupt and epic kill streak. Okay, cool. Yep, room the fuck up. Room 34. Yeah, that's on me. Someone's room is open. Oh shit. Here's stuff. Oh shit, there's someone there. Be quiet. There's stuff. Starbucks. Toilet. Cars. Basketball court. Parking lot. Another car that's moving. That's a traffic cone. Trees. Window. More stuff. Probably like the same thing. Oh shit, there's someone there. Feet. And yeah, that's it. Oh, more shoes. Shoes. That's not mine. What's it this? Okay. Yep, alright, that's it. Yeah, you'd like, comment, and fuck you.